morning, top of the morning, back at it again with another one. And today we're looking at the Nasdaq. So we had a nice sell off today, got the nice sell off, and so we're just going to dive through the data and yeah, man. We're going to be observing SMC, or rather ICT concepts blended in with quarterly theory. It's something that's been quite interesting to me lately. So, yeah, man. I took some, like, I didn't follow my protocols today, so I had a down day. But overall, I'm up for the week. Yeah, man. It is what it is. Greedy nigga shit. But I'll speak on it in another video. Probably in my 10K account challenge. My next 10K account challenge video. Let me rather say that. Yeah. But without deviating. Excuse me for the yawn. Oh, okay. So we have Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah, today's Thursday. I'm just gonna start out by marking out midnight. Alt V. I'm using a Mac, so shortcuts will come up. That's my midnight candle. All right. All right. You can just see now. Just gonna plot the midnight open. Yo, I really hope this thing is receiving. Like it's you know what I'm saying. This microphone. I hope y'all can hear me. Let me just slightly quickly adjust it. I think that should suffice. Yeah, the microphone is on. Excuse me for this technical bit of technical difficulties. Yeah, bro. I think we good. Like, oh, that's why I had the phones down. But nah, I think we good. I think we're good. I'll check it out in post production. Oh, am I lying like I have post production? But anyway, daily open. So we're looking for shorts above this market price. As you can see, we dropped or sold off nicely. And you can, if you still remember from the previous video, that for value gap over here, I'm gonna just plot it like so on the hourly time frame, just so that we have a reference for it, right? Cool. So I'm a New York based trader, particularly the AM session, so that's what I'm gonna be marking down. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it's about to sell off hard, man. It would be smart for me to have a position in, but I'm chilling. I'm not gonna do that. So the quarters for the New York AM session starts at 6. No, not Devon, my bad. Alt V, Alt V. First one is 6. Alt V. Change the template to NYAM. The next one is 7:30. Alt V. Q2. Next is what's this? Half 7. Next is 9. Alt V. Then 10:30. Alt V. 10:30 is your Q4. And then 10 or 12 rather, that's the start of the PM session. So PM, New York PM, right? Cool. Sharp. I have my midnight open. I'm just gonna remove this just to keep my chart clean, you know. Always gotta keep the chart clean. Where's that midnight price? Close that. Oh, that's the midnight price. Is it you, brother? That's our midnight open. So I'm just gonna move this. Yeah, it is actually correct. It is actually correct. Okay, midnight open price for midnight plotted. Dope. Just gonna make that a bit lock. I'm gonna lock that in, make that a bit bold. Daily open. Got that right. Cool. So I'm just gonna maximize my charts. I'm still on the M15, but similarly to yesterday, the M15 offers us a plethora or a couple nice setups, as you can so clearly see, particularly within quarter number 3. So as per what Trader Day says, he says Q2 and Q3 are the best ones to like actually, you know, like the best ones to trade off of. So you'll, if you've seen the previous video, you'll notice it. You'll notice it. All right, cool. M15. Here we are. Just gonna extend that a bit up. I'm using my laptop. I wish I had the big screen. This would have been coming out much nicer. Apologies for all the lines, but just please bear with me. I just wanna like give y'all this sauce as I'm seeing it, because I'm very much convinced. Let me just move that trading button up at the top. Okay, that's gone. Lovely, sharp. So Q1, nothing really is going on, just a bit of chop. This is that hourly fair value gap. I'm just gonna delineate this as bearish. All right, bring this in a bit closer, and then I'm just gonna make it like 2 so that we know that that's off of the hourly time frame. All right, and then already you can just see here in Q3, brother, it's so nice, man. It's so nice. I'm just gonna mark out this fair value gap, which also has an order block, right? Like I said, a bunch of lines, but just bear with me. There is a method to the madness. Cool. So I got those. I'm gonna make those like bold F, like 3. So you can see where that imbalance is. 3. Okay, cool. So we have an overlapping, very nice high probability Q3 kill zone, or the first distribution zone, really. Um, this is just sloppy price action, yada yada. Above the daily open, where is this price open price of Q2? That's the true open. We didn't get up to the true open for the sell, but we're above our daily open, which is also good enough for us. Yeah, this line, there's a wick here, you can't really tell, but yeah. From my experience, it looks like the M15 really gives like solid, solid signals. Just like pay attention to the M15, bro. So I marked out those two. I'm gonna remove these quarters because like it's a bit irritating to my eye personally. So you'll know what it is. Q1, nothing. Q2, but Q3, that's where shit's popping. That is where it's really popping. Because you can see that order block over there with the fair value gap. It's delineated with these two black lines over there, and it exists within an hourly fair value gap. So man, high probability F in direction with the order flow, which is like bearish, bearish tracing out, that type of stuff, man. It's very nice, very nice. Beautiful price movement as well. I bet you if I throw a fib on that high to that low over there, right? I'm just gonna remove Q2 real quick, and this the first. Okay, I'll just leave that New York AM one there, but we're not really like. Just so you know, it's 6 to half 7, right? 6 to half 7. That's the first quarter. It is what it is. I'm not really paying attention to it, but that Q3, I'm seeing something very interesting. As you can see, that's 6 or 9 to half 10, and then half 10 to 12. That's another quarter. But let me just remove these now, and let's like take a closer look at the PA, right? New York AM shot up. We took out the liquidity that was resting above that previous high from yesterday. I'm glad I took profits, because if I left it at break even, I would have like not gotten anything. So it's always good to like secure some profits. Liquidity got taken, dropped. This is so beautiful, man. Obvious target is like here, this level of liquidity there. Those relative equal lows. Take that out. Change that to sell side liquidity. Like, it's so convenient for me since I have all of these different templates and stuff. Let me just move this a bit here. It's so convenient. Like, I have all these templates and stuff. I just quickly off the top pull it out, attach it to whatever I need to attach it to. So that's that. Super convenient. So we here, if we took this position, entering there by the low and using that high as our stop loss, the order block, it shouldn't invalidate that. That would be the logic. Let's just project and see how it would have been. You can see there, stop loss would be like above there. So it's pretty healthy, 28 points. Not bad, not bad. And then targeting that low over there. That would have given us a 3.72 return. Very nice. Very nice. I could use standard deviation projections using that last push up, just out of curiosity's sake, to see potentially if price has anywhere further to go or if that's it. So I'm just gonna anchor it like so. Interesting to see. We got down to the third standard deviation level. Retraced back. Looks like we're gone. Or it's gonna return back up. But it could have gotten down there. For me, I had a 5-minute fair value gap objective. It got filled in. So yeah, I think price is done for the day. I don't know. We'll see. I won't be taking any more positions. I'll have to be very disciplined for when the PM session comes, because if it's a screamer, then you know what it is. But very beautiful price action today, extremely clean. It's a shame I wasn't on it. Like, I was taking a nap, and then when I got up, I had essentially already missed the move. Then I broke my rules, tried to chase price, but it is what it is. My equity curve didn't take too much of a hit today. Do I have it ready for y'all just to show you? Again. Yes, sir. Let's go to my equity graph. Like I said, I'll speak on this in the other account video. So yeah, you see, still net up for the week. Lower than what we were yesterday, but net up for the week. So I'm not really complaining. I'm not really complaining. You can see profit target, just above 25%. Just gotta, yeah, we lost like 28 today, so that's gotta fix itself, but yeah, that's where we at with it. Beautiful price movement, beautiful. I'm gonna continue back testing quarterly theory, and we're gonna see what happens. You can see here, man, it's just so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Took out the buy side, which is also in that fair value gap. Looks like price actually did respect it. We sold down. That was like 8:30 ish. So I assume that's when the news came out. Yeah, broke that structure, traded back up above the daily open into that M15 fair value gap, tapped that, and then just sold off. This was an extremely beautiful trade. It would have come at about 9:30, so like market openish time. I'm just gonna scroll down to the M5 just to get another look at this. And you see, yeah, by that M5, this was the M15 fair value gap. This is the M5 one. You can just see it's nice and big. How dynamic that displacement is. So we know that okay, sha. Yeah, like at 9:35, 9:40, gave us an opportunity. We sold off. You can see that that M15 one again came up, and looks like we're on our way down to sell again. Beautiful price action. Very, very beautiful price action. But yeah, man, let's call it a day. Thank God for the skill. If you don't know, now you know. Be sure to give us a follow on Twitter. Go to my profile. Yes, sir. Be sure to give us a follow at SCHMDII at SCHMDII. Posting a lot of alpha sauce, trading stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you with this one. 5 years of university paying money is smart, but 5 years developing trading skills or building a business is stupid. They call you stupid. That's why 90% of traders give up too soon. It's either you give up or everything just clicks. Question is, will you stick it out to see how it's like when everything clicks? That's the question. Other than that, I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, thank God for the skill. Talk soon.